The Phoenician Scheme 2025. Gosh, this is a typical Wes Anderson film, and I've grown to love these over the years. I I like each one at least as much as the last one, although actually probably the Grand Hotel Budapest was my favourite. I got that on DVD as well. Um, well, let's see. How do you describe the plot? It involves um, there's this business tycoon, very, very wealthy, and he flies everywhere. And at the point where we meet him, he's traveling in an aircraft, and suddenly there's someone at the back traveling at the back of the plane when the whole back of the plane blows up, the side, uh, with instant death for that person. And this tycoon goes quickly into the cockpit and fires the pilot, and the plane goes into a nosedive and um, lands in a cornfield when he's trying to find somewhere to land. And um, somehow, inexplicably, everyone thinks he's dead, but he survived. And that isn't the only time this happens. I mean, it's the sixth flight that he survived, and it seems to be happening on a weekly basis. It's just so zany. It's unreal. It's brilliant, but I mean, you chuck all the way through, and yet it's 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 an amazing kind of preposterous farce in a sense. All these things that go wrong. Um, I mean, there's this sort of it's not a sweepstake, it's some sort of negotiation over um, well, there's this sort of table that appears every so often. Didn't really understand it, but it keeps changing the figures. Money keeps the percentages keep altering. One time it's 12.5% one way, 37.5% another, and 50%. There's all these different stakes that people have. Don't really didn't really pay enough attention because it was happening very fast. There's this, oh, what is it? It's like basketball um, challenge in which the opposition much better suited. They could easily win hands down, but they give it their best shot. I don't know. It's just like you just have to go for the laughs, and there's plenty of laughs all the way through. Could just hear the audience chuckling, and occasionally I was like pondering, "Is that funny?" Yeah, the audience is laughing, and then yeah, I understand it. I think maybe not, but it's just what on earth's happening? What is happening? Oh, um, but there's like this raid by this Corbynista. No, it's not Corbynista, but it feels like that. Someone who's um, shooting up the ceiling, much to the tycoon's disapproval, to as a raid to get money to spread. It's like not Jeremy Corbyn. Oh, I know. It's uh, it's like that South American Che Guevara. I think it's a skit on that. But there's all these different things. Every Anderson film has a pastiche of different things happening, and you let it wash over you because it is bonkers. It's really um, mind blowing. I love it, but um, it's hard enough to remember it all, to piece it together, to try and figure it out. And if you spend time figuring out one part, when the film's moved on to the next part, you've kind of wasted your time because you could miss the next joke. And I watched it, Pitch House, Crouch End. Loved it. Really good. The friend I was with suggested really plush seat at the back and makes a nice change from Cineworld, which is also great. But um, it was fairly busy auditorium, lots of people, bank holiday Monday. Saw it yesterday, you see, it's 27th today. And what else? The characters, there's yeah, Scarlett Johansson, there's Tom Hanks, Jeremy Wright, ah, a load of people. Um, can't remember them all right off the bat, but oh, Michael Cera, he's double agent of some sort. No, he comes across, oh, he's something, but he gets employed as something else. It's just like keeping up with everything that's happening, but he's got a fairly crucial role throughout it. There's there's like this tycoon's 9 sons and 1 daughter, and the one daughter he bequeaths his inheritance to, and she doesn't know why because they haven't spoken for ages. And it's like, yeah, don't really don't really understand it, but it's it's simply a bundle of fun, and I'd probably see it again. I'd probably understand it better second time round. But just going on what I've seen in it, I'm gonna score it a 9 out of 10 because why not? Because it I just laughed, throughout, and it was an amazing distraction from all the world's woes, even though there are elements that feel like, gosh, it is a bit like real life. Well, everything that involves any sort of conflict is a bit like real life and billionaires and all these sorts of things, but this is set in about 1950. So 9 out of 10. Love to know what you think. Please like if you like this review. Please, thanks for subscribing. If you subscribe, please hit that notification button. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.